Tools. Choose which kind of thesaurus do you want to use. Protect words. The software will not spin the protect words. Select words. I added just now. Add links. Input website. You can input the word used to replace. I added just now. Identify synonyms. 1 means will identify all the synonyms. 2 means will identify half synonyms. And so on. This one I will talk later. Select words or phrases. You can check the density. Show or hide the title. Manage CSV file variables. Select to use CSV spin function. Sequential substitution. Choose which column do you need to use. Click Spin. Here you can see the variables. Spin tree. The article has been divided into sentences. You can add phrases or sentences. Now the text has become into spin-text format. Super replace. Click Enable to make the function begins to work. Use listen as an example. I choose to use better synonyms. Now I click another listen. The words now will be in bold. The software has recognized that we have selected the synonym for this same word before. You can see the synonym here. S replace means super replace. Replace same and bold words in the article. Same format as the previous word. Replace all same words in the article. All listen in the article has been in the spun format.